Hi guys, did you know you can now design stunning, professional, and highly eye-catching emails using Canva templates? And this is the ultimate guide to the newest feature in Canva. So I'll show you step by step on how you can customize gorgeous email templates, and it's perfect for newsletters, promotions, and announcements. Now let's just get started. You can just open Canva on browser or on mobile. And if you're seeing canva.com on your browser, you'll easily spot the new email templates options in here. You can just click on that and a new canvas will be opened. You can just drop an element here or just click it to start typing. Or you can also just go to design and choose the templates from Canva in here. There are lots of templates that you can use for your newsletters or maybe announcements. So you can just pick one. For example, I'm going to use this one for an announcement. A fresh look, the same great taste. So as you guys can see, these are how it will look like. So it's not boring, and here you can modify the emails if you want to. Here, modify or edit the banner. You can just double click and Canva editor will be open just like this. So you can modify the text in here or change the picture with your own restaurant image. Let's say I'm going to change it into another photos in here. Let's in this one, for example, you can just replace the background and here adjust the position. Now you can just click on the save and the template will be changed accordingly. Here when you click on the make a reservation button, it will show you the link, so you can just add the link in here so that the customer can directly do reservations in here. So just enter the link and click on done. And also there's this one in here, so you can just do the same. And don't forget to also modify the address in here. And when you're done, you can just click on send test email. And here you can just send it to your personal email. Click on this one. And when it's already look great, you can just click on share and save it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.